Online fashion deals can be tempting, but before you shop at mellyroon.com, you need the truth. Is this a real fashion store or a risky fake? Let's break it down. So mellyroon.com presents itself as a fashion-focused online store with trendy clothes and accessories, but appearances don't always tell the whole story, especially with new shopping sites. Here's what you might notice at first. The site uses HTTPS encryption, meaning your data is technically encrypted during checkout. It looks like a normal e-commerce store with product listings and cart pages, pretty standard for online retailers. But these basics don't prove real trust or performance in delivering real products. Now the warning signs. Multiple online trust checkers give mellyroon.com very low trust scores with ratings as low as 20.8 out of 100 and 1 out of 100, which is typical of suspicious or scam-like sites. The domain was registered very recently, December 2025, and hides its ownership details, common red flags for unverified stores. Security algorithms have flagged mellyroon.com as risky or malicious, and the site reportedly redirects users to other sites, a trait seen in unsafe online stores. There are no credible third-party customer reviews on well-known platforms, which experienced shoppers use to vet real stories before buying. So is mellyroon.com a real fashion store? Right now, it looks high risk and potentially fake. Low trust scores, hidden ownership, suspicious redirects, and lack of verified reviews suggest you should avoid buying until the store proves itself with real customer history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.